I was 21 years old. I was on top of the world. I was excited about having a new degree. I had a mathematics degree, and I was offered a job by Shell Oil Company. But before I could actually get started, they called me up and said, "We can't hire you because you're sick." I was diagnosed with kidney disease, and for 40 years, I managed to slow the progression of the disease through diet and exercise. But finally, after 40 years, my kidneys said, "Okay, we're done," and I had to go on dialysis. Okay, so I'll try not to get emotional about this. Dialysis sort of consumed my life. You're taking this treatment, but you feel bad all the time. Kidney disease ran in my family. And one of the things that was frustrating about this experience is that if you know that I have kidney disease and my brother had it and my father had it, you would have thought that somebody would have said, "We should do a biopsy to try and figure out what's going on."
Well, we often use terms like chronic kidney disease, which really reflect not one disease, but many, many different diseases that affect kidney function. And we tend to treat all patients the same way. We don't have a very good understanding of how each patient's treatment could be individualized. The Kidney Precision Medicine project is a large project that currently involves 27 different institutions around the country, leading scientists, all working collaboratively.
And the aims of the project are to safely and ethically obtain biopsies from people all over the country who have kidney disease. There are 6 recruitment sites across the country that are actually recruiting patients for us to get kidney biopsies. In addition to those 6 recruitment sites, there's 5 tissue interrogation sites, and those are the sites that tissue is getting sent to once it's been obtained from the patient. And then there is us. We're the central hub for this study along with the University of Michigan and Mount Sinai.
The amount of information that we get should lead to many new therapies. We should be able to individualize therapies. This will lead really to a 21st century understanding of how the kidney works in health and in disease. One of the work products for the Kidney Precision Medicine project will be the creation of a kidney atlas. So an atlas of the kidney would tell us all the different cell types in the kidney, where they're located in the kidney, how the kidney works, and should be a roadmap to the development of new effective treatments.
It's personal for me. Nobody did a biopsy. Nobody understands what my disease is. And I have one son. There's a high probability that he will experience kidney disease. And if there's an atlas, they would be able to do a comparison between his biopsy and what they have in the atlas. They would be able to say, let's try this to see if it slows the disease, as opposed to what we do now, which is a one-size-fits-all.
Northwest Kidney Centers has been our collaborator for the last 10 years, and they have supported us in a variety of means to ensure that we are able to conduct as much kidney disease research as possible and really impact the Pacific Northwest and beyond.
The Kidney Research Institute, frankly, would not exist in the way that it does now without the ongoing support of the Northwest Kidney Centers.
Everyone that I worked with on this project are just at the top of their field. They all truly care about patients.
Not only are they smart, they're compassionate. You can tell that they're emotionally invested. And I think that emotional investment is really important to driving the success of the project. It's not just going to be an esoteric experiment. They're actually looking at real problems, developing real solutions, and then implementing them in the patient environment. That should give everybody hope.
Is probably the most ambitious project that the kidney part of the NIH has undertaken in decades. It's truly a game changer.